Brittany Mills here, and I am back with another video. So today I will be doing a video on a ring light. It's called Aduro, A-D-U-R-O, and I ordered it from Amazon. This is it. And it's a Ustream Junior Twin ring light. And it, you put your phone on it, so it mounts your phone, and you just clip it to a table, a desk, or anything like that. So today I will just be doing an unboxing for this and basically just doing a review on it. I also will put the link down below in the description. Again, I did buy it from Amazon, and I only paid like $20.56, and it came within 2 days. So the shipping was pretty quick. I just needed something that would be easy and convenient. I do have a big ring light, if you've seen my previous video, as far as when I did a review on that ring light. And the connection is a USB. So you can plug it into a computer or anything that have the USB port, or if you have a, the port dock from an iPhone or something like that, you can plug it into that and then plug it into the wall socket or extension cord or anything. So again, you just clip it. It's pretty bright, this video, because I am using my 18-inch newer ring light, and I'm actually loving that as well. So you guys should check out that video review. So again, here's the little clip. Just clip it to the table or desk. And here's the little clamp for the phone. And you just screw it on. And I'm just gonna use my son's phone to show you guys how to clip it, because I am using my phone. You can do it this way, or you can turn the clamp so it can be long ways. Okay, so let me turn on the light. And then you could, of course, adjust the lights how you want it. And this would be good if you're doing like your nails or, makeup in a little small area. Again, like I said, here's a little iPhone, little port dock. And just connect the USB. And it got a little power gauge right here. And there you go. So this is the ring light right here. Like I said, you can lower it however you want it. and they are pretty bright as well. So I will be using this, like, of course, if I want to take it on a go with me, or if I just want to sit at my table or desk or anything like that to record, without having to use my big ring light. This gives off enough light right here itself. So there you go. So again, I only paid about $20.56. It's called Aduro Twin Ustream ring light for your cell phone or any phone. It's universal, again, because it's just a clamp right here. I will put the description and everything in the description below. I also forgot to mention that it had 3 different light settings. It states 3 lighting modes with 10 levels of brightness. Not sure if you guys can see that. And it's all on the remote. Let me try it. There we go. So there's one light mode, 2, and then 3. Here's the power button. And the dimmer is at the bottom, the minus sign, and then a plus sign to brighten it up again. So there you go. Here is the Aduro ring light. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and also turn on your notifications. And I will see you guys in my next video.